Introducing the 2025 Polaris XPEDITION XP5 NorthStar in camo and moss green color. This is a versatile side-by-side vehicle designed to excel in both utility and adventure scenarios. It's got a 999cc ProStar 1000 four-stroke twin cylinder engine that delivers 114 horsepower. It's got 14 inches of suspension in the front, 15 in the back with those FOX Podium QS3 shocks for some enhanced off-road handling, and of course 14 inches of ground clearance underneath there. It's got that 4,500 pound winch. It's got 2,000 pounds of towing capacity, 600 pounds of carrying capacity, and then if we go inside, you'll see we can fit 5 people in here. It's got that ride command with GPS included, Bluetooth connectivity to those JBL speakers, AC, heating, windshield wipers. Really, this thing's made for all weather, all terrain handling. It's now available at Auburn Extreme Power Sports, and it's a beauty.